Hello my gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel for day 3 of Disney Week. Today we are doing a look inspired by the song Strangers Like Me from Tarzan. This movie means so much to me. I grew up with this movie. I know I say this about every single Disney movie, but this one was really special to me. Like, I had a Tarzan birthday cake that my mum made for me when I was like 5 or something, but I loved this movie. I still to this day love it. Holds a very, very, very special place in my heart. So today I'm going to recreate the look that I was wearing in my cover from earlier today. If you haven't seen that already, please go watch it. Link will be in the description below, or you can wait till the end of this video and it'll be on the screen for you to see. With all that said, I think let's get straight into the look. First up, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Maybelline Superstay 24-hour concealer, just putting it on and then patting it out with my finger. Okay, now that my eyelids are primed, I'm going to go into the Zulu by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this dark brown shade, and that is going to be my crease and transition shade. Now on a bigger fluffy brush, I'm going to take the yellow, and I am just going to very lightly go up towards the top, more towards the brow bone, just to blend out that colour and add a bit more dimension up there, just so it's not brown. Okay, now I'm going to take a Colourpop Supernova shadow. This is in the shade Mothership. It's a dark bluey green, and I'm going to pack this all over my lid. Okay, now that I have done that, I'm going to take the shade Astrology, which is another Supernova shadow, and this is going to be used on the inner corner. I'm just going to pack a bit on the back of my hand because I want to use a very small brush to do this. And then just to really intensify, that gold in the middle, I'm going to take this liquid glitter, eye glitter. This is from the brand, I can't tell if that's a Y or a V. I think it's a Y. I think it's Handayan. Handayan, I'm not 100% sure. But I'm just going to do a little dot of this in the inner corners. To really add a bit of glitter, because it's Disney, we have to have some glitter. Okay, and that is all we're doing for the top lid today. We will come back to the eyes after we have finished the rest of the face. Okay, so to prime, I'm using my combination of the Australis and the Maybelline primers again. Just a little bit of each, mixing them together and then dropping it on the floor, as you do. Okay, now that I'm primed, going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 122, packing that all over with my sponge, as always. We don't change things up around here very often. Now that my foundation's down, I'm going to conceal with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. under the eyes, down the middle of the face. And lastly, just setting that down with some loose setting powder. Using my Colourpop No Filter setting powder as always. And then to set the rest of the face, using my Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Matte Powder. Just to set down the rest of my foundation. Now that we've finished the face base, I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I've done my brows, I'm going to go back to the eyes and we're going to finish those off and then we'll do the rest of the face. So first up, I am going to quickly just highlight my brow bone using my, not that one. I'm going to quickly highlight my brow bone using my Colourpop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Fire, just with my finger. And I'm just going to pat some of that up there. Now on the bottom lash line, I'm essentially going to go and do the same thing except for the green. I'm going to use the brown and the yellow first. Just to add the colour there, and then I'll see if I want to do something else. I'm just going to do it on the outer corner to start with. Okay, so now for the under eye. I've already finished this one, but what I'm going to do is take this flat smudging brush and I'm going to take the glittery green shade in the middle and I'm going to do this on the inside half of the under eye. Alright, now I'm going to go and line my waterline using my Colourpop gel liner in the shade Mr. Bing. I'm going for a brown liquid eyeliner today just to keep the look very earthy and very grounded, because that's one thing I always think about with Tarzan is it's such a nature based movie. It's just, you think of the jungle, you think of the trees, you think of that beautiful African jungle land, and so I want to really keep true to that theme with this look. So we're just going to take our brown gel liner and I'm going to just follow the pattern of the wing underneath and then just line the top lid. Pretty basic, stock standard as always. Now that the eyeliner's done, we're going to pop on some mascara, and I'm just using my Max Factor Lash Crown in black. We're not doing falsies today. I'm not in the mood. Okay, that is the eye look all complete. We are going to now go back and finish the rest of the face. First off, we're going to bronze and contour. First off, I'm going to bronze and I'm going to use my Master Bronze palette by Maybelline, always. Okay, now I'm actually going to contour today and I'm going to use my AC on Tour palette. Oh, if I can open it. And I'm going to use this shade here, the bottom middle one, and just contour out my cheekbones. Okay, now I'm going to go in and do a little bit of blush. I am just going to use the shade Strut and a little bit of Game Face from my Sports Girl Pretty Cheeky palette on a fluffy brush. Okay, I am going to quickly put on a little bit of setting spray because I want my highlighter to have a wet base to stick to. And just like with the brow bone, we're going to go back into fire and just pack that on the cheekbones with the finger. Alright, now that we've finished the face, we're going to go onto the lips, and today I am just going to pop on some ColourPop Luxe lipstick. This is the shade Cinnamon. This is from the Brown Sugar collection. Lovely lipstick. We're just sticking with that brown earthy tone. Alright, and finally we'll just do one more lot of setting spray just to set the whole thing in place. Alright guys, that is the completed Tarzan inspired look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe so that you can see the rest of Disney Week. We've got some fun ones coming up I'm really looking forward to, so I can't wait. I hope you can't wait too. Alright, that's all for today. I love you my gorgeous people. Bye bye.